Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to organize the fields of a task in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into project. It's task 1 for example. Then we have to switch the view to list view, which we can do in the top left corner. Then under the name we find a row of different kinds of functions. Here we tap on fields, and here we have different kinds of fields that we can add to the task list. But what we are interested about now is what happens on the left side of these fields. There are 6 little dots. If we tap on it and hold it, we can organize and we can move these fields and organize them based on our liking. So we can we can put assignee to the top, and then we can do the due date as the next, and then we can put the created on as the third option. Yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.